I'm Manuel Bojorquez in Fort Morgan, Colorado, where a bitter winter blast prompted schools and businesses to close. The area's roads fared no better, with authorities at one point warning there were no open roadways in or out of northeast Colorado. We experienced firsthand why.
This blizzard has blasted Colorado's eastern plains for hours now, with wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. It could dump up to 10 inches of snow. These whiteout conditions have already forced officials to close some highways and interstates.
Rob Denny's car got stuck in the fast accumulating snow.
I got stuck.
You got stuck.
I got stuck. And
You're
you guys
from
were nice
Chicago.
enough, and I got stuck.
In western Nebraska, blizzard conditions shut down most of the roadways. The Dakotas were hit with freezing rain.
Highway 8's got some snow on it and some black ice, so if you're traveling this way, slow down and be careful.
The storm's impacts also felt in Arizona. With a rare sight, thunder snow lit up the Sedona sky, coupled with snow flurries. Back here in northeast Colorado, there is a blizzard warning in effect until midnight, and as the storm moves east, ice and gusty winds could cause problems for parts of Iowa, South Dakota, and Minnesota. Norah?
I am sending you a hot chocolate. It looks cold out there. Manuel Bojorquez, thank you so much.